Hey guys, this is Longboard X Motion 23, and today here I got the 2012 Switchblade, and I ordered it from Black Diamond Sports. I ordered it Saturday, and I got it in. Today is Thursday. It was actually supposed to come in Saturday because it said on the estimated thing when I tracked it, but I guess it came in today. Looking excited. Hell yeah. Got a tool, some slide gloves, some speed, got some speed cream, here's some plastic stuff, and got some stickers. Here is the 2012 Switchblade. If you guys can see it. This board is like, I think, 40.5 inches. The width is like 10. Wheelbase is like 31.5. Has gold Paris trucks and some 70mm 88 Metro Motions, some Bones Reds, and some shock pads. That's pretty much it.